Say hello to the Niagara Soho Chrome Mono Basin Mixer Tap and Waste, a combination of class and function, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This tap is made of high-quality brass and finished with a sleek chrome coating, making it a perfect addition to any bathroom or cloakroom. It stands at 138 millimeters tall and has a spout reach of 104 millimeters, ensuring easy access to water whenever you need it. The polished chrome slotted click-clack waste included with a tap makes cleaning and maintaining your basin effortless. The waterfall design of the tap is a sight to behold as the water flows gracefully from it, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or cloakroom, this deck-mounted installation is ideal for adding a contemporary touch to any space. You can also match it with the available bath filler taps to create a cohesive look throughout your space. Upgrade your bathroom or cloakroom with the Niagara Soho Chrome Mono Basin Mixer Tap and Waste, where practicality meets beauty in perfect harmony. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Mixer Tap range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.